2025 Dacia Spring Cargo. Priced at £14,995 excluding VAT or £149 per month, excluding VAT, on business contract hire, the 2025 Dacia Spring Cargo positions itself American Samoa the most budget-friendly compact electric van in the UK. Ideal for businesses needing a dependable, zero-emissions solution, the Spring Cargo is well suited for both urban and suburban deliveries. The 2025 Dacia Spring Cargo, priced at £14,995, excluding VAT, or £149 per month, is the most affordable compact electric van in the UK. Targeted toward businesses, it serves as a practical, zero-emissions option suitable for urban and suburban deliveries. This van is built on the Dacia Spring model platform, with modifications like a removed rear seat and a mesh bulkhead to enhance cargo capacity. Measuring just 3.7 meters long with a 4.8 meter turning radius, the Spring Cargo is highly maneuverable, especially in urban environments. It offers a cargo load space of 1,085 liters and a payload capacity of 370 kilograms, accessible through rear doors or tailgate. The van's 26.8 kWh battery provides up to 186 miles, WLTP urban, or 140 miles, WLTP mixed, with fast charging capability from 20% to 80% in 45 minutes. Equipped with a 65 bhp electric motor, the Spring Cargo is efficient and reliable for routine city driving. Standard features include a 10-inch display with Media NAV Live, smartphone mirroring, Bluetooth, USB port, and cruise control. Additional functional elements include air conditioning, electric front windows, remote central locking, front and rear parking sensors, and a reversing camera. The Spring Cargo supports 240V accessories through its bidirectional, vehicle-to-load, V2L, capability, adding versatility for worksite needs. Designed for business use with enhanced cargo capacity. Based on the Dacia Spring, Britain's most affordable electric vehicle, the Spring Cargo adapts to commercial needs with the rear seats removed and a mesh bulkhead added for added cargo space. Classified under the N1 homologation, this compact van is just 3.7 meters long and features a tight 4.8 meter turning radius, allowing for easy maneuverability in urban settings. With a payload capacity of 370 kilograms and 1,085 liters of load space, it offers ample room accessible via the rear doors or tailgate. Efficient range and fast charging capability. Equipped with a 26.8 kWh battery, the Spring Cargo provides up to 186 miles of range on the WLTP urban cycle and 140 miles on the WLTP mixed cycle, making it a practical option for city operations. The van supports fast charging from 20% to 80% within 45 minutes, minimizing downtime between trips. Standard features and functionality for work. The Spring Cargo is powered by a 65 bhp electric motor and comes in polar white. Its standard equipment includes a 10-inch display with Media NAV Live, smartphone mirroring, Bluetooth, a USB port, and cruise control. Additional practical features such as manual air conditioning, electric front windows, remote central locking, and parking sensors, front and rear, are included. A reversing camera further supports the driver in urban driving. For worksite needs, the Spring Cargo also offers a bidirectional, vehicle-to-load, V2L, function, enabling drivers to power 240V accessories directly from the vehicle.